Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get Ethereum for free. Well, to get free Ethereum, you just have to go to idleempire.com. Well, this website allows users to earn virtual currency, including free Ethereum, to earn by various tasks and offers such as taking surveys, watching videos, and playing games. The virtual currency earned on this site can then be redeemed for a variety of rewards, including gift cards, cryptocurrency, and game keys. The site is free to join and offers a wide range of earning opportunities, making it a popular choice for people looking to earn some extra income online. And that's how to get Ethereum for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.